Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Fantastic Art and today we're gonna be drawing the one and only Uzui Tengen, also known as the Sound Hashira, or also known as the weakest Hashira. Now I have to be honest, I don't like that you guys call him the weakest Hashira because as far as I've seen him, he was good, he was fighting, he was badass. So if you guys are familiar with the manga, I need you guys to explain why do you call him the weakest Hashira. But yeah, sometimes I use earbuds to blend in my drawings like you can see I'm doing right now. Yeah, just to give it that smooth and yeah. And then I'm using two pencils for this drawing. I'm using my HB8, which is the darkest pencil I have, and then I'm using my mechanical pencil. You see how old it is? It is wrapped in tape because I've been using this pencil for almost over 4 years now. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm using these two pencils, and with the HB8 pencil, I use it in different tones so I can press it harder to make the darkest tone and make the light and medium dark tone. So yeah, I can accomplish what I want still. So yeah, and then the mechanical pencil, it gives that gray tone that I use on the face. And you can see the headband, the tone is different, they're not the same. Even the texture they create are not the same because the mechanical pencil is like usually light and really smooth, and then but the HB8 is not as smooth, but it is dark. So yeah, this drawing was, I don't know, like the hardest thing for me when I draw these characters, it's the sketching. That's why whenever you see my drawings, I've already done the sketching because I'm not gonna record myself doing the grid lines and all that because it takes time. But shading, when it comes to shading, I feel like that's the interesting part, but it's still like the easiest to do. So yeah, this is my reference if you're wondering. And I'm doing it in black and white because guys, I'm out of paint and I'm a little bit broke right now. So I was like, you know what, I haven't drawn in pencil in a long time, so since I can afford my acrylic paint, I'm just gonna draw in black and white from now on. So from now on you'll be seeing black and white drawings, and I like them actually. I like them more than colored drawings. I feel like colored is just, sometimes it feels like I got a poster and I don't like that. So yeah, I'm done with the drawing and thank you guys for watching. If you like this one, please comment which one I should draw next, and yeah, and rate this drawing if you feel like rating it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye.